Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing well. This video is going to be a travel guide for all the people who are traveling for first time to Ireland. Well, with this, if you're watching my video for the first time, I am Neha and welcome to my channel. I hope you like my content and please hit the subscribe button. To all the viewers who have already subscribed my channel, thanks for watching my video and thanks for subscribing. It really counts. So let's get started. Wait. I would like to say one thing, that in the end of this video I will giving a pro tip, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Whenever we are traveling to any other country apart from us, our parents' major concern is also that how are we going to manage our travel from the airport to our destination. We are not aware of the transportation system of the country we are flying to. Well, if you want to know properly about the transportation system in Ireland, please check out my video on transportation system in Ireland, the link to which I will put in the description box as well. Dublin is the capital city of Ireland and most of the international flights land here. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can manage your travel to your destination in Ireland from Dublin airport. Also, if you're arriving to any other airport in Ireland, you can also follow the similar tips that I'm going to mention in this video. The first part of this video is going to cover the travel from Dublin airport across Dublin, and the second part of the video is going to cover the travel from Dublin airport to other parts of Ireland. Most of us are familiar with Google Maps. If not, then I would recommend that check your phone and install Google Maps if not present already. You can see that it makes our commute very easy, and just by putting the destination option, you can easily choose that what are the available travel options to travel from your place to that particular location where you want to go. After we are done with Google Maps, let's talk about the first thing. Suppose if you want to travel from the Dublin airport to Dublin city or anywhere else in Dublin, so what things you can do. Now that you have arrived at the Dublin airport, there are these following ways that I'm going to mention now that you can follow to travel at your destination. In this case, you can either go for cab or you can also opt for buses. Now that if you're traveling from cab, you can install the FreeNow app, which is available in Play Store and in App Store, and you can install that and you can go to your destination. You can also book the taxi services that are available nearby the airport. The second thing, if you're going for buses, then in that case, first check out the Google Maps, and you can also seek the people around you, and before onboarding any bus, please confirm with the driver where the bus is going to. Now that you can see, this is how the Dublin bus look like, and in the front it also shows where the bus is going to. If you also want to know about the bus frequencies and their timings, you can always install the RTI app, that is Real Time Ireland app. Just by putting the stop number, like suppose you are nearby the airport, and if you type in the stop number there, you can see what buses are going from that particular stop. Now that you know about the buses, the question arises about the tickets. So regarding the tickets, you can always buy the tickets on spot. So I will suggest that please carry enough cash in smaller denominations, example 5 euros, 10 euros, 15 euros, 20 euros, and that too in coins, because the buses do not accept any card, forex card or any debit card or credit card. They always want the ticket to be purchased in cash, so preferably coins. Are you having any second thought that on how to travel from Dublin airport to any other parts of Ireland? Let me make it easy for you. So it's time for people who are traveling from Dublin airport to any other counties. Here I will provide you with two alternatives. One is choosing the cab, and the other, the cheapest alternative, is going for buses. When going from cab, you can always install the FreeNow app, and you can also book the taxi services available near the airport. And the second option is choosing buses. Well, these are the buses and the link to which I have described in the description box. Few of them takes longer hours to travel to the location, so you can always check from the link that what are the timing details of it. And most preferably for Cork and Galway, guys, I will suggest that go with Gobe website, and while traveling to Waterford, please use JJ Kavanagh, and you can find the link of the website in the description, and you can see that what will be the suitable option for you when you are traveling to your destination. You can also click on the link in description box to book the ticket in advance. I'm suggesting to book the ticket in advance because it assures two things. First, this is the cheaper options. Secondly, it also secures a seat for you. Suppose you have that ticket already, then in that case the buses will prefer the person with ticket in spite of the person who wants to take the ticket on spot. But still, if the bus is empty, you all will get the bus easier. And don't worry, because booking the ticket in advance is still useful because the ticket is valid for an entire day. So by any chance, I hope it doesn't happen, but by any chance if your flight gets delayed, then in that case you can still utilize the ticket for a day. Also guys, if you still feel that you should buy ticket on spot, then in that case I'll suggest that carry enough cash, around 30 to 50 euros. That will make it easier for you to buy the ticket on spot. So we have arrived to the end of the video, and it's time for the pro tip that I have told you that I am going to mention in the end of the video. I hope it will be beneficial for you. And here I suggest that taking buses is the most preferable option because it is always on the cheaper side. You can always book in advance. Also, the major concern is about the luggage. Don't worry guys, because these buses have enough space that you can always put the luggage very easily in that. Still, if you feel that you can book cabs, you want to travel by cabs, which is slightly on the higher range, I will suggest you that please install the Free Now app and attach the card to the app. During the payment option, it makes it easier to deduct the amount of travel instead of paying by cash. I hope this video will be very beneficial for you, and please share it to everyone who are traveling for the first time to Ireland, because you never know whom it might help. If you have any queries, please put down in the comment box. Also, if you want me to create any other video on any other topic, please let me know. Now that you have watched till the end of the video, please hit the like button, and till then, for the next video, bye.